Hello everyone, good evening. Yesterday we have seen what do you understand by the quality analyst, what are the roles and responsibilities of the quality analyst. Today we are going to cover two main topics, that are what are the designation available, what are the designation will be there for the quality analyst, or else after completing 1 year tenurity in the quality analyst role, where you can move, where you can see yourself after that particular designation. So we will cover that particular point in our upcoming video, and next we will also see what will be the pay scale for the quality analyst role for the fresher or as well as for the experience role. So without wasting time, we will start our video, and before that I would like to tell everyone, kindly please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos, and also share your feedback guys, so that I can improve more quality and more content in my upcoming videos. Let's start with the topics, that is designation in quality analyst field in a BPO company, and the second is basic pay scale on quality analyst role for fresher as well as experience. So guys, you can see these are the designations which are available once you guys hired for the quality analyst role, and these designation are not common for all the companies. Different companies have a different designation role, and different companies have a different uh, role and responsibilities as well. So it totally depend on companies to companies, but after just cross checking with certain companies, I have concluded like this will be the designation role which you guys can acquire once you guys are completing your tenurity after the quality analyst role. And guys, the tenurity totally depend on company to company. Like there are many companies which they are looking for 6 months of tenurity, 1 year of tenurity, 13 months of tenurity. If I'll talk about Tech Mahindra, they are looking 1 year of tenurity. If I'm looking for Genpact, they are looking for 13 months of tenurity. It totally depend on company to company. So once you guys hired as a fresher, as an agent role, and after that there will be certain tenurity, after that you can apply for the quality analyst role. And after getting the role as a quality analyst, we need to work for 1 year or else 2 years, then we can move to the another level, which is quality analyst team lead. And after that you can move to the quality analyst assistant manager. So you will be taking care of the team lead and the aligned quality analyst guys who are working under the team lead. So this will be the three positions where this will be the three position at the basic level, and this team lead and quality analyst AM, these both are completely aligned with the quality analyst guys who are working at the ground level, and they will be interacting every day to the to all the QAs, and they will asking for the data, they will asking for the work, they will asking for the analysis part. So quality analyst team lead and the quality analyst AM, they are completely aligned to the ground level QA team. And after that, the next designation will be quality associate manager, and this will be the higher designation, and where with the QAs who are working at the ground level, their interaction with the quality associate manager will be quite less, but it depends on company to company and depends on the work or else task what you guys are getting. And then there will be a quality manager, and after that there will be a director who will be taking care of training and quality both the parts. So at the last we have seen the director. So this will be depend on company again guys. Like most of the companies where we have seen where both the quality and the training team are taken care by the one person, and in some companies we have seen there will be a another person who will be taking care of one QA team, and there will be another role who will be taking care for the training team. So these are the basic designation roles guys you can acquire once you are hired for the quality analyst. And